As you know, you want your windshield wipers working on a heavy rainy day, but what do you do if it stops working? Well, you definitely don't want to be driving around with this much water on your windshield. If you're needing to replace your wiper arm, watch this video and I'll show you, number one, how to save some money, and two, how easy it is to replace. Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. One of the first things we want to do is clean out these vents here. Just take a brush or vacuum and clean up all the debris that's in there. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to unsnap these plastic caps to expose this nut. The cap just unsnaps off. You got one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. Now you're going to take a 13mm wrench and unscrew the nuts. Okay, now let's do the passenger side. Now that we got the nuts removed, let's remove the wiper arm. I'm spraying a little Windex to loosen up the wiper arm. You can use WD-40 if you like. Okay, this is a little tricky, but it's not hard at all. I've got this door panel tool here. If you don't have one of these, you could just use a claw hammer. You can see where I try and get underneath the nut there. How I get underneath the wiper arm and push up. At the same time, with my hand, I'm pushing down on the arm. You can see here I'm going to need a little more leverage, so I use a small hammer, and you can see how I remove it. At the same time pushing down on the arm, and it pops right off. Disconnect the washer fluid hose that's connected to your wiper arm. Now you can do the same exact steps like you did on the driver's side. Here I'm showing you how to use a claw hammer, how to remove it. Just be careful not to hit your windshield and break it. Now disconnect by twisting off the wiper fluid hose that's connected to your wiper arm. Now that you've removed both windshield wipers, let's install the new ones. Now let's get our wiper blades in position. Make sure it's correctly in the right position, in the off position. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put the wiper blade in the rib post and you're going to push down the arm and it's going to lock in. Now you can go ahead and screw in your 13mm nut. Make sure it's tight, but not too tight. Once you've got it in, go ahead and connect the tube to your wiper fluid. Do the same thing for the passenger side. Now we can snap in our black plastic covers. And we're all done. See, wasn't that easy? Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!